Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to another stream. How are you guys doing? Let's see who's here. Poe, my man. Good morning, Poe. Hi, DB. Hello, Iliada. Good morning, good morning. Hi, Nick. How's the weekend, guys? You had a nice weekend, all of you? We'll wait for a few more seconds for more people to join in, then we can start. Oh my God, this market is not stopping, is it? I'm got so sick of this just running up and up and up, There's no retracement, no pullback, nothing. Right, pretty sick, innit? Right, okay, let's see. Right, okay, we got 12 more minutes. Let's start with let's do a bit of quick look at the gold, and then we can take it from there, right? Okay. Okay, gold, what we're looking at gold is. Yeah, gold, I mean, nothing changed for gold as I spoke to you guys on Friday, last week on Friday. I mean, we came back in Asia session, came back to this daily fair value gap, tapped into it, and then bouncing off. So we got this fair value gap on the top. We're going to pay attention to, but for now it's look bullish, as I said before. So if you go on a shorter time frame, the back-to-back 4-hour fair value gaps, and if you measure them, and then it's exactly the same scenario that we talked last week. So pretty much same, nothing changed. The target comes over here on this fair value gap, 200 to 250%. We left this new week opening gap. Obviously, we're filling this gap now. Very impulsive candle. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'm sure Paul is long gold since morning. Paul, you still long gold? You still in the position? Paul. Okay. I got stopped out. Okay, no worries. It's a good reaction. I mean, your entry was good. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it was a really nice entry that you put there. I'm not sure where did you put the stop loss, because we never swept these lows, and I think you go enter somewhere here on this CISD and inversion on this impulsive leg up. You enter somewhere here. If you put a stop loss over here, you'll be buzzing. Look at this reaction. It's a really nice reaction, and as I said, the targets are still at the top over here. That's 200 and 250%. So probably if somebody is already long, you can look. Okay, once you look over here, maybe TP1 here, and then you go another over here, and you can just hold the last contract. Hi Z, how are you? You okay? Welcome to the stream. I got a bit aggressive. Okay, stop. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing, when we into the position and then we'll look at the price action and everything, we got just move the stop loss, move aggressively, and that's the thing. But it's a really good reaction. Looking for more higher prices today for the gold, and obviously we see how the gold react on when it comes to over here. If it's sweep all them, come back, create a fair value gap, retest, and then CISD, then you're pretty much sure that we're going to go and retest this fair value gap, this 200 250%, and then obviously we got 400 to 400% on the top. Now we go another 9 minutes. Let's jump into our favorite NWANU, Nasdaq YMN ES. Right, okay, this is a daily. Interesting to know, we swapped previous week high and previous day high on NQ. ES haven't, YM obviously a lagger, always a lagger. But interesting is all three assets are bullish, very bullish, till proven otherwise. I mean, we get so fed up and sick shorting this market, but look at this. Look at this YM from Asia came back to this fair value gap, and look at this reaction that week, and then this start going up again, right? And YM is the only asset left that is not swept, reached all-time high here. So we got these all-time high on YM. Dow Jones still lacking a little bit behind, but that's the drawn liquidity for the YM. Until we reach to this level, then probably we're gonna see all different two assets, NQ and ES, will follow the suit. You know, they will follow the YM till we get there. Once we get there, we'll see how the market reacts. All three assets reacting. Morning, Milo. Morning. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. ES, same scenario. Nothing changed since last week. Back to back bullish week. Every single week it closed above the previous weeks. You know. So let's see what happened this week. I mean, bullish. I mean, bullish. Long term, 100%. But we need to see how we got a big data week this week as well. We got CPI, PPI, and then obviously some geopolitics, and then we got a new Fed chair joining this week as well. Powell gonna leave this week, so bye. So let's see how the new Fed chair gonna be. So if we go, let's go to our small time frame. That's daily. Okay. So we got this daily fair value gap at the bottom on NQ now. If we go on 4 hour, we have really nice reaction. We go back to back fair value gaps on 4 hour. I have marked these 4 hour gaps over here, from here to here. That's the target for marking right. Okay. Yes, yeah, that's the 4 hour. This one is for the 6 hour. I was looking at 6 hours, and we have like back to back fair value gap on 6 hours as well. So that's the target. So pretty much 4 hours, 6 hour. This is the area that we gonna be paying attention to, you know. So if we got some bullish, this is the box. This is the box where we want the price to reach. Maybe I think this is the when YM gonna hit all-time high. That is where we want to see NQ to hit as well, right? Okay, let's get rid of this acceleration gaps one. Okay, 5 more minutes. Right. Okay. Right. So going back to 4 hour, in an Asia session, we tapped into this 4 hour, really strong reaction of it, bouncing off, and then done pretty much nothing on the top of the side. But I was looking, since this bull run or this price action started since last month or month before, not a single 4 hour fair value gap we have inverted. Every 4 hour fair value gap open. This is a weekly new week opening gap, tapped into it and run up, right? So 4 hour tapped into it, up. 4 hour tapped into it, up. Every single 4 hour. So till we get some of these 4 hour, 6 hour FVGs get inverted, retested, I mean, we really can't be bearish. We're looking for every single time when price dipped into a look for long opportunities. This is a bit lagging price action in London and Asia this morning, but let's see what we have on 1 hour. That's pretty much accumulation, and nothing really happening. Get rid of this. So we are in, that is 168 points, whole Asia and London. Haven't done much, so I'll be watching how when we get into this fair value gap or Asia low, how we will react, and then how we'll react at the top, and then based on that we'll decide what market really want to shift, where market really want to go. Going to 15 minutes. Okay, what is this? 15 minutes, we've been sandwiched between this 15 minutes fair value gap from here and from this 4-hour fair value gap. Haven't done anything. Every time we go up, we got sell off. Every time we come down, we see a little of buying. So pretty much not done anything. So again, the same scenario, we need to see a strong displacement above these levels or below these levels to see how the price reacts. Considering it's a Monday, start of the week, we got lots of news and data coming. Probably is going to be of choppy price action today. Not a clear direction for the price, so people going to be all waiting to all the data come and then decide, So the bullish invalidation would be 4-hour energy. Yes. Yeah, if we start inverting one of those 4-hour, 6-hour fair value gap and see how it reacts. I mean, look at the last 6 weeks, 7 weeks. Every time we tapped into these 4-hour fair value gaps, we got really, really strong reaction every single time. And I'm showing to you, you go on the chart, mark all these 4-hour fair value gaps and see how we reacted every single time. Right, guys, we got few seconds left, 30 seconds left. So yeah, so we need to see some sort of bearish price action, inverting all these fair value gaps, and then retesting and failing again, and then we'll see some bearish price action on a lower time frame as well. Till then, we're bullish. Every time we come down, we looking to buy. So I'll be patient today. I want to see how the price reacts open. So this is 15 minutes. I'm going to keep that 15-minute charts open to look at how we react. So we go, right, okay, put on 1 minute chart. Okay. Right, everybody, screen okay, sound okay, all good. Any questions before we open? All right, there we go. Okay, good reaction. Leaving London low, Asia low. Okay. Let's see if we leave any fair value gap or something. Or maybe price just run, leaving us behind and go straight to the Asia high and, sweep all that, and then we'll see. But I need to wait. Wow, that's a very good 1 minute candle. Nearly 100 points, 80 points. 80 points. We're not going to jump in straight away. Okay, we're leaving fair value gap here. Wait, I'll be waiting. How it's exactly the same like Friday, price start pushing higher and higher, jumping when the market open, and we're waiting patiently to some sort of retest of any fair value gap, and we enter the price. Of course, I closed off, 80, 90 points profit, but the price ran to about 350, 300 plus points. Yes, another one of those 100%. You open and start running, price up and up. There's no limit for this price. I don't know where you're gonna stop. how YM and E is reacting. Let's see. Yeah, standard. Every time NQ goes up, ES goes up, YM is dumping. Every single time. There's nothing new. So we hit Asia high. I need a bit more. I mean, I need a bit more sweep and see how we react over there. Get rid of this. We don't need this now. Guys, anybody in any trade, any positions? Every time Burj Khalifa, I know. Oh my God, look at that reaction. I mean, where we can enter the trade and where we're going to put the stop loss here. No way. I mean, technically, look at that. Wow, it's 146 points are open. No. Anybody in any trade? Anybody bought it? Anybody went long? Really nice reaction. See if we get some retest. We go back-to-back fair value gap, and then if we measure these, so we got some targets. Right, we got some targets here, but one single candle swept all the liquidity from Asia and London. Look at that. All of that is gone in 3 minutes. Well, it's only 4 minutes candle, everything. So now we need to see how we stay bullish, come back, retest some of these fair value gaps, give us a CISD, or start inverting them, and then we decide. Okay, let's see about this one. We got this one on the Asia high, previous day high, previous week high. How's the gold doing? Yeah. If you stayed in a long pot, you must have hit your TP right now. New week opening gap has been filled. That was your target, or I don't know, maybe a previous day high. So you're about to hit that. Not too far. NQ came down here. Let's see how we react. Okay. Still 9 minutes to go for this 15-minute candle. Wow, this is a really good reaction. Okay, I'm gonna give a shot. Okay, I'll wait for 1 minute. Let's see. This is it's gonna be a counter trend trade, but this is like textbook ILM. We went in Gulf, the whole, not the whole, the last bullish candle inverted, IFVG, leaving fair value gap. But I want to see how we react to these two. Till then, I'm not comfortable because we have a clear drawn liquidity Asia low, previous day low, too far, but yes. Let's see how we react on this and this fair value gap. Leaving this fair value gap, come back and reject, and then I can trade. Take a trade, not before that. Always there's an opportunity, Paul. You missed one, there's another one, We got little BPR here. Okay, let's see how the price reacts here. Mark this. Anybody did anything exciting over the weekend? I had so much driving on the weekend. Probably I drove Saturday, Sunday combined over 800 miles. No. Still, ES haven't swapped previous day high and previous week. YM not even close. Only NQ have swapped here. Other two assets failed too. So we need to keep an eye on that. That's what I was worried about. We got this very strong push if we get into a sell here, but we haven't got any continuation. We have no FVG been left after just this one, and then a lot of people think, oh, they swapped Asia high and inverted this, and they went short straight away, and then they're burning right now. We need to see more. NQ is very good in bluffing. So this is our moment. If we invert this one, probably we see if we can go long and target these some 200 and 400% on the top. Acham, you in the trade, mate? Are you still waiting for some more clear displacement to some? Guys, if you have any question, ask me. Any questions? By the way, we're gonna start the challenge from tomorrow, and we're gonna start the challenge this time 20 Apex account. Oh, you already shot? Oh, great. Did you put limit order on the just above Asia high? Okay, guys, that's the plan. If we see a rejection from here and price come back and close below this candle, let's see on here, I'll look for short. And we have a very small risk. We're going to keep the risk tight. Maybe we can take a couple of stabs here. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, on this one we still okay. This right, 50%, 62%. What 5 minutes looking? Okay, we have this massive 5 minutes fair value gap here. Sorry. All right. Well, I need to see this 5 minute fair value gap completely engulfed from a bearish price action. Before that, I think I won't go short. And might be going to be too late because we got these Asia lows and all this liquidity at bottom. So maybe we'll see how it reacts. If it's just dump straight away, without giving any chance, then I'm gonna skip it. Yeah, no energy to the upside, no energy to the downside. So we stuck here. We got another 2 minutes for this 15-minute candle. Let's see if we fail to invert that or when I'm quiet, guys, I'm looking at the chart. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just paying attention to the price action. Okay, so we haven't closed any single candle from outside this FVG, the middle one. Okay, price reacting nicely from here. HM is still in short. Hope you won't get stopped out. I mean, doesn't matter for us because we're not in the position right now. Okay, I need to see an inversion. Price go back above this Asia high. How's 30-second looking? I mean, I can't trade 30 seconds now. I don't want to. The lowest time frame I can go is 1 minute. I'm not like Sing. Sing can smash 15, 10, 5, 2, 1, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1 microseconds. He can smash all that. I can't. Just 1 minute is the lowest time frame for me. He can divide 1 minute by 100 and still he can take a trade. Okay, boring so far. We got nearly 15 minutes, but nothing yet. So we're getting some nice price action now. Right, London low here. Okay, so we get some SMT with, okay. So this is the moment you're waiting for. You want to go long or short. We're leaving a very small fair value gap here, another fair value gap, back-to-back fair value gap. I closed the short early for a loss, expected run lower. Yeah. I mean, yeah, it wasn't like quite aggressive push down, but I mean, seeing these back-to-back fair value gap, I wasn't confident. You know, this always happens. The price comes and then, you know, make everybody now confident. Oh yeah, price gonna go down, and then start reversing. So in 15 minutes, we have inverted this 15 minutes fair value gap here. We closed above this, leaving this. So this is gone now. We have this one, big one, this one, all of inverted. We closed above all this bearish price action as well. So you got a CISD as well. If you consider this one or that one, doesn't matter. So price close above. Now let's see what happens. Okay, swap all these lows YM and start running higher. ES swapped running higher. So all three assets are aligning now to the upside. So we got another reason to go long as well. So the price is not getting bullish on two different assets as well. So, but we still wait because looks like to me ES and NQ is weaker compared to ES today. That's nice. I mean, I like it because we tapped into this 5 minutes fair value gap. Oh no, we came back here on 2 minutes. Right, okay. Yeah. It's more look like a long to me than short, at least for now. Is anyone in trade, or are you still waiting for some sort of confirmation? Okay, I need to see a candle closer over there, leaving some fair value gap. Good displacement about waiting. Okay. Yeah, I mean, there's no point jumping into the trade when you don't have a clear direction. So we don't have to trade every single day. You get like 2-3 good trades in a week. That's it. You don't have to come to the market every single day looking for trades, and then if you can't find a trade, you force yourself, you FOMO enter the trades, and then or just to sake of just taking trades. No, I mean, if there's no setup, if there's nothing clear to you, you shouldn't take the trade. I mean, in this price action, I mean, it's maybe for somebody, but for me, it's nothing clear. I don't know, market gonna go down or market gonna go up. Where the market wants to go, I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe somebody just waiting for this candle to just close above this, all went straight over here, little scalp and out, right? But I don't do scalps. I need at least like a good few minutes. I can't be in and out in few seconds. I'll be watching close about these high, nice displacement, and a good strong move up, or below this part here somewhere below this, yeah. To this is over the block of 2 minutes. Okay, yeah. Before I take any trades. Or maybe the whole Monday gonna stay in this range, who knows? Whole Monday we're gonna stay in this range, 150, 160 points. Guys, come on, tell me something. What did you do on the weekend? Very boring, it's quite boring. Could you have another look at gold? Yeah, of course, why not? Yeah, gold is good, smashing. Well, I told you this target we came in very close to here. Let's go a little higher time frame. Drop this. Yeah, it's a really nice reaction. I think yeah, gold is long. Came back here, nice reaction. So you have these targets. We don't have any fair value gap in between here. We had this one that we already inverted before. So this one we already gone. This one retested. Every time it came back 1, 2, 3 times, bouncing off. And we have no fair value gap on the daily for our, let's see what we have on the 4 hour. Yeah, you need this candle. Okay, that's it. Yeah, if you get a 4 hour closer above this here, and then you can frame along this part, basically all that, and you can frame along every time it tests some sort of IRL, came back to this fair value gap and stuff like that, and start going to target this 200, 250%, this red box over here. Gold looks okay. Okay, now we got some move in NQ. No, still bowing. Still bowing. Nothing. So you got these fair value gaps here. So every time price gonna come back or retest any, you can refine this fair value gap. You got this 90-minute fair value gap. This is 1 hour, 90 minutes, 15 minutes. So maybe you can just draw, you can wait for some discount, come back to you on the discount, give like CISD to the upside and start going. You can long the gold, long golds looks okay. What is NQ doing? NQ came back to this fair value gap again. I think this is the 5 minutes fair value gap. Yes. Are we leaving any fair value gaps here? No, no fair value gaps here. 1 minute, just one fair value gap here and rejected from this one. How many points we have to Asia low? Let's see. 94 points and stop loss 112 points. That's not enough RR. Maybe I'm not saying it's going to go to Asia low or New York PM low, Friday's PM low. Maybe you can go to previous day low, but for now, this is the low hanging fruit, the nearest liquidity, So we have to see it's, even if we put stop loss over here, that is 94 points, 97 points. In short, okay, I'm in short. Very good, very good. That's good, that's good. Yeah, I'll wait. I'm not gonna enter short straight away. Yeah, I've seen enough price action. I know why you short, because obviously the candle closer. You guys put your stop loss on 953 top candle. I'm in top of 953 candle. Oh yeah, I just realized. Iliada on the funded. Yeah, congratulations. Your first trade on funded account, right? Okay, unfiltered, no man in short. Everybody's in short except me. Wow, that is amazing. Good, good. Hope it works, man. Yeah, of course, funded. Now I want to price to go down, dump to a previous week low, because Iliada in the funded account. Doesn't matter if I'm in or not, doesn't matter. But I want the price to dump because, you know. This is gone. Yeah, anytime, Ilyada, anytime. So what's your entry, guys? Where did you enter short? And what's your stop loss? It's on, you enter on this 953 candle or 949. Mm-mm-mm-mm. 953, yeah, that's what I thought on 953. When you got this candle closer above all this price action. Yeah. Stop loss above the fair value gap. Yeah. Okay, yeah. That's what I thought. But I want to wait for this fair value gap where the price is hesitant. Plus we own the 2-day open as well. And every time it's coming is very, very hesitant to go down. And this leggy hesitant price, I always wait to get it cleared, you know. So above the fair value gap of this fair value gap, okay. So you're talking about this fair value gap. Oh yeah, that's a good rejection from this fair value gap. Actually, it looks nice now. It's getting nice. Okay. So sure. So this is basically your trade, yeah. Oh yeah, this is a good reaction. Yeah, this is your trade, right? I don't think so. I'm gonna get anything. I mean, I need to wait. I mean, it's. I probably see how we react on Asia low, and or maybe go up back again and see how the reaction, or maybe I go long from Asia low. But I need to wait. I can't enter the short here. It's not very one-sided price action. It's up and down and up and down. You know what I mean? So look at the reaction from this fair value gap. By the way, guys, this is just like that. I'm not in any trade. It's better I just write it. Not in any trade. So you can see it. How's gold doing? Let's see, gold. Oh yes, gold is, yeah. We got a good reaction in gold, you know. There was a trade from London. Right, okay. Yeah, not much. Not much. So you got stopped out now, Paul. Ilyada, are you still in the trade or you got stopped out too? Okay, this is a nice reaction. We inverted. See, I mean, all the bearish fair value gap are disrespected, all the bullish fair value gap are disrespected. So this is where you get chopped. You want to go long, you get chopped. You want to go short, you get chopped. Okay, Ilya, that's still 371. Okay, 371. Okay. Okay, that's good. Oh, you still in? Okay, that's good. Missed by a few points. Good, good. Oh, you're not stopped yet. Good, man. Good. Okay. But that's what I'm saying, that price is disrespecting every single fair value gap, whether it's a bullish or a bearish. So in this scenario, I don't want to get into a trade when till I see price is respecting bullish or bearish fair value gaps. Till then, I have no trade. I mean, I wouldn't mind. I don't have any trade today, to be honest with you. I got the whole week, but I want to see a clear setup. I want to see a clear price action. I want to take a clear price action trade, clear trades. Maybe I can get only 3 trades in a whole week. That's fine. Okay with me. But I want a clean trade, not some sort of this price action. No, 100% no. Like in Friday, we had such a nice. I mean, I straight jumped into a trade because we have very clean price action. I know price want to go. Straight we came and respecting all the fair value gaps, whether it's bearish or bullish, and when it's respecting bullish and start to give us a CISD, and price straight we went up 350 points up. So I mean, this is not something I feel it today. Price one candle down, another up, one candle down, another up, so wait. Yeah, 100%. Always leave a little bit more room. You don't have to purchase straightway just a one tick above or below the fair value gap, or any your levels for the stop loss. Guys, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wait for 5 more minutes and let's see if we get any trade. Fine. If not, then probably we're gonna have a chop Monday, or maybe price do something after 10:30 or maybe in the PM session. But I don't see anything here because we're in this very tight range. Look at the 5 minutes. I mean, the first 5 minute candle of the open, we haven't broke out of that 5 minutes. See, this is the 5 minutes opening candle, and price is still in this. So till we see out of this box up or down, till then I don't have a trade. So you guys already in a trade. So best of luck for your short if you're still in around 380. So okay, looks like you're gonna go stop out for 380. Or maybe you one of those lucky bastard, he comes to 378, 379, and the price reverse and go to your TP. I really don't want you to get stopped out of you, And I don't give a shit about the Paul. I don't want Ilya to get stopped out because that's a first funded account. Paul can manage it, I know. Paul can smash some other trades. I think what I said is happening. The price came to 377, leaving pause, still in that trade, and I'm gonna go straight to TP. Whoa, what a boring session, man. What a boring price action. What a boring price action. Come on, Nas, do something. Do something exciting. Give us a moonshot. Do something like this. Go up, come back, retest, and straight to the moon. Straight to the moon. Straight to 400, 450%. To our that box, that gray box we created, yeah? Here. Hit 30,000, psychological number. 30,000. Oh yeah, 100%. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. We never get affected from any stop loss or TP. If you are a good winner, you still stay humble, stay neutral. If you are a loser, you do the same thing. It's part of the game, part of the business, you know. And waiting is a part of the business as well. A lot of people uh, underrated. The waiting part, basically, you know. Uh, Waiting is very important in trading. If you don't have any trade, wait. Okay. Trading is 80% waiting, 10% buying, 10% selling. I think I'm more into looking into long. Let's see if we have something. But only one thing I'm not really sure about is leaving all these below us. Five minutes is looking really good. Get rid of all these trends, man. 6 trends. No. No, nothing, guys, for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call a session today. No trade day. Are you out, Paul? Yes, 100%. As long as you manage your risk, all is good. Yeah, step by step, 100%. I do agree. Okay, you are. Right, guys, I don't have any trade. Sorry. The price is really, really bad price. Nothing exciting, nothing much. And I don't want to get chopped myself, you know. Chopped multiply by 20 accounts. 100% no. No up to that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thanks for joining the stream. And if you're not on the Discord, please do join our Discord and our X, please. And thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.